Hello everyone, I'm Sugadev. Welcome to Dev's Kitchen. Today we are going to see a simple health drink. I won't call this as a recipe and all. The purpose behind putting this video is to create an awareness regarding a lot of facts and myths that are being available online. What we are going to do today is lemon honey. That's a lemon honey drink. The first and most important myth that is prevailing online is about weight loss. That if you drink this lemon honey drink every day in the morning, you will lose 5 kg of weight in 5 days. Such kind of myths all are prevailing in online. So the first thing what I would tell you is that it's not true, because generally any drink, whatever the drink that you take, it won't help you that much in getting weight loss. Weight loss is a different subject that you have to follow a strict diet as well as exercising and diet is the first and foremost thing to have your body built in proper shape. So this weight loss and all, it is a myth. And what is the advantage of having this particular drink in the empty stomach in early morning? If you ask me, there are a lot of health benefits for this particular drink. The first and foremost thing is it is a great detoxifying drink. What do you mean by that? It means, see, whatever the food that we take consists of a lot of toxins, and the air we intake, the air we breathe, it's consisting of a lot of toxins, and to remove these toxins, this drink will be very, very helpful. That is the first and foremost thing. And this drink helps you to boost your immunity. And one thing is that any drink, if you drink, immediately your immune system your immunity won't get boosted, and it will help you slightly, and it has to be consistent. You have to follow this consistent. It has to be part of your daily routine, and every day in the empty stomach you have to have this. That is one thing. And one more thing, it will help your skin, and your skin will be glowing, and there are a lot of benefits for your skin as well if you keep on having this drink. And it will also be a good remedy for throat and cough infections, because this particular drink keeps your respiratory tract hydrated. At the same time, the mucus inside your respiratory tract will be it will reduce the mucus in your respiratory tract. So definitely it will be a great remedy for throat and cough infections. And coming back to the weight loss subject, there are some people who are thin, and they will have a fear in their mind, if I am taking this kind of drink, whether I will lose weight or something like that. It is a wrong thought, because even I am lean. I am having this particular drink for the past 2 years, and that time also I was 61 kg, and now also I am 61 kg. I have not lost any weight, I have not gained any weight, just because I have I'm drinking this particular drink. So it is a myth. So you have to understand that, and you have to take this drink on a daily basis, as it is having a lot of health benefits. And one more thing I have to add here, that our national father Mahatma Gandhi, very well that he follows strict diet, as well as he is such a strong person. In his daily routine, this particular drink was very much there. Even till his last day, he was having this particular drink. If you could read his biography, and if you could read what he has done, definitely you would you would know about this particular drink also. So such a good drink, definitely we have to take this on a regular basis. Please do share this video with all your friends and family, so that everyone will be aware of what it is and what not, so that it will be helpful for everyone. Please do subscribe and enable the notifications. Thank you. Thank you so much. We have to take a tumbler, and we have to squeeze half lemon. We have to add 2 tablespoons of honey. So we have to add warm water. You should not boil the water too much. If you are adding boiled water, definitely the honey will lose its properties. So we should avoid adding boiled water. So just we are adding warm water. So after mixing nicely, we have to add mint leaves. This is optional. If you like mint leaves, you can add. That's all. It's ready. Such a simple one. It has a lot of health benefits. Please do try and follow it on a daily basis and let me know. Thank you.